Tamara Linkowski from HealthyTreatsMarket.com, and I just wanted to share with you some new things that we've got here that we're offering to you. So we've got different meal kits right now, okay? The first one I'm going to show you is called the Snackpack. If you are a snacker and that's your weakness, and what you do is you just don't have enough grab-and-go snacks, and that's what makes you gain weight, the Snackpack is perfect for you. For $60, you get 7 mixes, 7 bombs, and 7 bars, okay? So 7 mixes, 7 bombs, hormone or peanut butter, and 7 bars. You can pick, you can mix and match, you can do whatever you want. So that's the Snackpack for people that need that. This is the Shippable weekly meal kit, okay? So another $60. For $60, you get 14 mixes and 7 bombs or bars, okay? Sorry about that. I had the hormone bombs out here and I don't now. But what you get with the Shippable meal kit is you do 2 mixes a day, every day, and then you do a bomb for an evening snack. So you have to provide your own meat, you provide your own veggies and things like that. But the main thing here is that you're eating the mixes and they're gonna help you lose weight. So this is the Shippable meal kit that we have for $60, okay? And then this final one right here is called the Rapid Weight Loss Meal Kit. So you guys know what I say, I always say the more mixes you eat, the more you lose. When I got down to a size 2, I was actually eating 6 mixes a day, okay? So for the Rapid Weight Loss Meal Kit, you get 21 mixes for $60, and you're gonna be eating 3 mixes a day. Now this is not all you eat, this is just what you have to eat in a day. You can still add meat to it, you can still add salad, you can do whatever you want, as long as it's low carb, okay? But this is what's gonna help you lose your weight. This is what reversed my heart. This is what made me lose weight, eating 6 of these a day. Okay guys, so those are the 3 new things we got. And don't forget, if you live nearby, we always have the weekly meal kit where for $110, you get, you can show them over here, honey. You get 6 turkey burgers, you get 8 wraps, you get 7 of these bombs or bars, and you get 7 mixes. So every day you're gonna have a mix, a wrap, a burger, and a bomb, okay? And you do that for 7 days. So if you live nearby, you can do this meal kit. But if you don't live nearby, you can always order these online, or you can come in the market and get them. We're gonna have these at the market too. Okay guys, just some new things that we're trying to do to help you out. Thanks for watching. Visit HealthyTreatsMarket.com. You can look up recipes there and order online. And if you live nearby, come see us in the Davison Farmers Market. We're here Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday from 9 to 5.